spec ones on pretty much. Beer.
I don't know if you can see that, but under a loop I can see all the little hairs that are in fact the whiskers embedded in that silicon gel stuff. I doubt very much you'll see them. My fingers need a wash. One safer way of getting rid of these AF117 tops is to wrap a length of copper wire. I haven't got any copper wire handy. Wrap it around your soldering iron, put a little loop in the end that matches the AF117, and then heat it up like that. And what should happen then is the top should come off like this. As you can see, it's only soldered in a little bit, and it just pulls off like that, and you have a top free. Nice and easy, because that's all there is. There's a single little bead, less than a millimetre, about half a millimetre, holding the top on to these AF11, I think this is a 114, but AF114 through 117 transistors. That's the proper way to do it and not explode them. Thanks for watching.
Transistor in AF127, and then pop that on right at the end and let it set on overnight. So yeah, I think that's what we'll do.